Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a happy birthday themed manicure for Madam Glam, and I'm just gonna, run through the steps with you. So happy birthday, Madam Glam. It is their 6th anniversary. As you would have seen from my previous video, if you watched that, they have a brand new collection out called the 6th Lust collection. It's stunning. So here I am using one nail I'm doing with perfect white, and that's gonna be a background for a marble. And then on 2 of the nails, I'm using Crystal Piano. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this shade. And then the other 2, I'm using the shade Wham Bam Thank You Glam, and it's a pink shade. Very pretty, very sparkly. I love all of these colors so much. It was hard to pick like what to use to do a birthday theme manicure because I wanted to use all the colors, but I also wanted it to look not crazy either. So this is what I chose, and I hope you all like it. So I'm doing 2 coats of the glitter gels, and I think I just did 1 coat of the perfect white because, like I said, that's just going to be a background for a marble that I'm going to do. So in between each coat, I'm curing for 30 seconds. If you guys are interested in getting some Madam Glams yourself, I do have a discount code. I'm going to pop it up on the screen here. You can use that for 30% off. Make sure you click the link in the description box for the code to work. I don't get anything from that, guys. That's just to save you some money if you're just looking to pick up a shade or 2. But if you're looking to grow your collection, I would highly recommend signing up for the VIP box. You can cancel it at any time, and you get 50% off your gels that way, and the shipping is free. So I think it's a good deal. Okay, as you've seen, I was just putting my colors down on a little palette here, and I'm just kind of splotching them around everywhere. No real rhyme or reason to it. I just wanted to make it look fun and colorful and like a party on the nails. That's going to be my background for some cute little cupcakes. Alright, once I was happy with how my splotchy marble, whatever you want to call it, looked, I cured that in the light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with some stamping, and I show you each plate here. I used like 3 or 4 different plates and just some black stamping polish. I found this cute little cupcake image on this Ajubis plate, and I thought it was perfect. So it didn't quite fit on this full nail here, so I go back in for a second stamp and then just try to line it up as best I could. I think it turned out pretty good. And that's the cute little cupcake nail done. I love that one. Okay, this is an Uber Chic plate, and I love this plate. I don't use this near enough. And it had some really pretty like confetti and party streamers. So I'm using that on 2 of the nails, the ones that I put the Crystal Piano color on. And I'm just taking a variety of colors and kind of spotting them all over there and swiping them together. 1 swipe will do it, and put that on the nail. Isn't that so cute? I love that. So I did that on 2 nails. I did not show me stamping both nails because it was the same for both. Now I'm using a Christmas plate. I know, a Christmas plate, but it had a party hat on it and some presents, and I thought this is perfect. I think it's like some New Year's theme, but worked out really good for this design. And I'm just going to do some reverse stamping here, and that is where you pick up an image and then fill it in with some polish. And I'm just filling in every little gap that there is to make it really colorful. And I use just a bunch of different colors, kind of the same colors I used for the confetti. Once that's all filled in the way I like it, I just let it sit for not very long, maybe a minute, and then transferred it straight to the nail. You can make a decal if you are more comfortable with that, but I find it easy. If you just let it dry just enough to where it doesn't squish everywhere, you can transfer it straight to the nail. So now I'm just picking up the little present that was under that party hat. And I'm going to do 3 of them in different colors on the other confetti nail. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, so now I wanted to put happy birthday on one of the pink glittery nails. And I actually switched this off camera because I liked how it looked better. But at first I stamped the black and then went over it with gold. And then I wiped that off and decided that it looked better with the gold on the bottom and the black on the top. So I switched that off camera, but you're gonna see me do it here the way I did it the first time. That's another reason I love using gel so much when I'm doing stamping or art of any kind, because if you make a mistake, it's really easy just to wipe it off and redo it, and it doesn't mess up your polish. If it was regular polish, you'd have to repolish your whole nail. So for this nail, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I was like, okay, I want to put these champagne glasses for celebration. And I actually put those down the way I decided to do the happy birthday, and then I didn't like that and I switched it off camera. So instead of the black on top and gold on bottom, I switched it to be black on bottom, gold on top. And then I added the New York skyline there on the bottom underneath the cups, and then I put New York on the top because Madam Glam's from New York. Ta-da! And I loved how that nail turned out. I think that's my favorite one out of all of them. So now that I'm all done, I'm just gonna add a nice glossy top coat. This is the no wipe top coat from Madam Glam. It's my absolute favorite top coat. It does not separate over stamping like some top coats do. So one coat is all you need, and it's perfectly shiny, and everything is cured and in place, ready to go for at least 2 weeks. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked this mani. Again, happy birthday, Madam Glam. Thank you so much for sending me these gorgeous polishes. I'm going to get so much use out of them, and I'm going to do so many cute designs. So thank you all so much for watching. Go check out Madam Glam, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!